Hey y'all, good morning. So I just got done getting my kids breakfast together and now I am watching the charts. I actually have to start my son's school here shortly. Looking at this chart and I'm trying to determine if it is respecting more of this pre-market low or if I should wait for it to hit the 5-minute low. The pre-market low is lower than the 5-minute low. Really testing that level more than anything. So I'm probably going to put in a trade at 950 on American Airlines. But something in me is saying just wait. Let the market go through, see what is happening, and just wait on the 5-minute retest. I'm just looking at the chart. It is definitely showing that it is respecting that pre-market low. So that's kind of a question and a thing that I need to see how that works. Should I wait and for that retest of the 5-minute high with the breaking retest, or should I go with whatever is lower, if that makes sense? Because my pre-market low is at 9. My 5-minute low is at 905. It's a 5-cent difference, and it's really showing it's respecting that one more. So I'll keep y'all updated if I get into a trade, but currently right now I'm not in one. All right, y'all, so I just got out of a trade. I made $26 off of this trade, which is crazy. The only thing is, and I put this on my notes, is that I think I sold a little bit too early. It just had broken my break even, and I wish I would have stayed in it, because looking at the 5-minute candle, it was still showing going down, and I didn't wait for that 5-minute candle to close. And that is the only lesson that I'm taking from there, is that the 5-minute is still showing in my favor. Then I should have just kept the trade. So that is kind of like the only thing that got to me. Other than that, I'm pretty satisfied about the trade. It's just a lesson that now I am currently learning. Just kind of want to keep y'all updated. I'll put the trade probably up here so y'all can actually see it. But that was that trade. I took one trade. I am up $26 from that, so still in the green.
All right, y'all, so I did take another trade, but I got out of it when I was basically at break even, as far as like I didn't lose nothing, I didn't gain nothing, even though I should have sold when I could have got like $14 of profit. But you know, it's okay. I learned. I did put some new indicators on the chart, which I'm still getting used to and seeing, which I think is pretty helpful. And it kind of tells me what my higher high is, what my lower high is, and that's kind of like helped me out a little bit, but I'm still kind of getting used to it. Currently today, I am still with 2 trades at a profit of $26. So I'm happy about that. 3 green days for each day I traded. I profited a good amount. Yeah, I'm at 2:47 today. It is 12:35. I don't think I'm getting into any of the trades, but knowing me, we shall see.
All right, y'all. So I'm done trading for today. It is 2:14, and the last time I came on this camera, I said, I don't know if I'm gonna put in a trade, whatever I said. I put in a trade and I lost $5. So trying to decompress. I'm about to actually jot down my notes of my trading today, but I took 3 trades. The first trade I made $26. The second trade I got out of the trade before I did anything. However, in that trade, I should have got it when it hit its higher low, I think it was, and that would have gave me $14, and that would have been 2 good trades. That'd have been 2 good trades that I would have been done. And then this other one, I just hopped in again, and lost $5. But I did place 2 new indicators on my chart to kind of help me out. And so I'm gonna be studying those, looking at previous charts to see how that works and how those can actually help me with my trading. Right now, I just literally feel like, and I really think that first trade, even though I made $26, even though that is pretty good, that is the most I've ever made within this paper trading journey, like off of one trade. That is the most I ever made. So I need to take that in and also just be happy about that. However, it's not clicking for me that was good, and so also seeing that I did not stay within that trade at all really messed me up as well, because I could have stayed in that trade and got my total profit that I was looking for, and that messes me up that I left money on the table. And so I'm trying to go back in other trades and pick up that money that I left, that I could have got, but I did not get it because this mind of mine. So it's just like I'm breaking rules, and I need to learn how to stick to it. So I really think over this weekend, I'm really getting into my books, as far as not just the trading part, but the psychological part about this, and then truly creating some rules and sticking to those rules, period. Like, that is what I need to do over this weekend. That is my checklist that I will be doing. But 3 trades, profited $21. So overall this week, I still had 3 green days in a row. So again, these are things that I just need to, as a beginner paper trader, or just as a beginner trader, I just need to be happy. Like, those are 3 green days to start off this month. Great. So I need to take advantage of that and be happy about that and be excited. So I'm gonna actually gonna print me off a calendar, and so I can put it above my desk and be able to mark out my green days and my red days to keep that track and just be happy about my progress. Each day I've gotten better. Wednesday is the first day I started trading. So Wednesday was the second, right? Because today is the 4th. Okay, yeah. So Wednesday the 2nd, I did $12. On Thursday the 3rd, I did $9, and then today I did $21. My end total for today is $242. So I'm definitely gonna be studying, getting into my books mentally, reading over the charts over these stocks that I've been into, and just be ready and prepared for Monday for when market opens. I appreciate y'all if y'all stayed this long into my video, and I thank y'all for watching and supporting me in this, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.